Why must my life be filled with sorrow?